My boss is always like, who smells so good? And I want to just be like, it's me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Natashia. And I know, of course, I look a little bit different. I'm not slayed to the gods today. My face is not beat. I kind of want to share an insecurity that I've always had, and it kind of fed over to me as an adult. I used to be terrified to leave my house without any makeup on. I would have to put my eyebrows on, put some mascara, eyeliner, something on before I could even leave my house. And this morning I kind of just woke up and I was listening to a girl talk about that as well. And I'm assuming it's still her insecurity. But for me, I'm kind of just like, I'm older. I'm not everyone's type. And although you may love me all glammed up, this is me. So I just want everyone to enjoy the skin that they are in. And I chose to do my May favorites without any makeup. So if you guys want to see what I've been loving for the month of May, please grab a snack, come on back, and let's get this party started. So the first fave that I want to mention is a book called The 4 Agreements. If you have not read this book, oh my goodness, let me tell you, it is so empowering. It makes me feel like I kind of just have a sense of control. Be impeccable with your words. Don't take anything personally. Don't make assumptions. And last, always do your best. Just by opening up this book and reading those 4 agreements, I'm telling you, you will feel so good after reading this book. I took about a week to read this book, and sometimes I just take it to work with me, and if I'm going through something, I'm like, let me just go back and read something that I thought was empowering. Once I read it, I feel so much better. So I highly recommend you just finding a self-help book that works for you. Now that I got my random item out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about moisturizers. You guys know I suffer from extremely dry skin. I went ahead and picked up the Yes 2. This is the Ultra Hydrating Facial Soufflé Moisturizer. I am no longer suffering from the dry spots that I get around my mouth. They're like non-existent. They did send me a few products, but some of the products I did go and purchase because I believe in the brand. I used to use these all the time when I used to work at Walgreens. They do not put any harsh chemicals in none of their products, which I'm super happy about. Thank you, Yes 2, for working with me. If you guys haven't seen my video, I posted it to Instagram. Go ahead and check them out. The second product that I do have, and yes, they did send this to me. This is the Yes 2 Ultra Hydrating Coconut Milk Moisture. But this is for dry skin, and it makes my skin once again stay super glowy. My natural oils do shine through. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. I just want to eat it. It smells so good. I did get a whiff of it in my mouth, and I'm okay with that. Like, I'm telling you guys now, products are fire. So you guys know I was obsessed with the contour and highlight palette from Profusion. I'm still obsessed with it, but let me tell you, LA Colors has definitely changed my life. This palette is super pigmented, and I love the colors that are in here. Some of these I do use as a blush, but this highlight I have not been able to put down. So if you guys have not tried out this palette, I highly recommend you going to your Family Dollar, your Dollar Tree, and picking this up because super pigmented. The shades are not ashy when they go into your skin. They literally blend right in. LA Colors, you guys are killing it. First off, you guys already know I have to insert myself and ask you guys what type of snacks are you eating, because you already know I'm jelly. But let me tell you, this video is already future dated, so you guys know I'm eating my popcorn and having a glass of wine. I do want to mention to you guys how I am obsessed with NYX products. I love their lip products. They never let me down. The shade that I've been loving from the NYX Slip Tease lipsticks, I woke up like this. This is your everyday neutral shade that can go with any outfit that you wear. This lipstick shade is super pigmented, and I just feel like my lips are not drying throughout the day. I actually don't have to wear any type of Carmex on my lips. My lips feel really good when I wear this product, so I'm happy about that. The lip liner that I've been pairing this lipstick with would be in the Lip Crayon Brown. So beautiful. This actually, when I line my lips with this brown lip liner, it makes my lips look more plump than what they are. Also, when you line your lips, it helps with keeping your lipstick on all day. So I highly recommend, if you do not line your lips and you just apply your lipsticks, to start investing in some type of lip liner. I'm telling you, it definitely helps. So I'm gonna take it back on you guys. Now, obviously I am black, and as I was in the dollar store, I was kind of just walking around and looking at hair products. Oh my goodness, this took me back. So I did find the Softees. This is the Argan oil, and this is just a grease that we put on our hair as African Americans. I don't know if everyone puts oil on their scalp because they don't want their hair to get too greasy, but I know for me and in my household, I've always had to grease my sister's scalp and they've had to grease my scalp. This one with the Argan oil does not add too much oil to my hair to where my hair is too flat. I've been obsessing over this, and like I said, this one smells so good, but it just took me down memory lane. And if you are any other race besides black and you've never had to experience this, my mom would literally grease my scalp like every other day, and honestly, it actually felt kind of good. Like, I love when somebody plays with my hair, and now I have to do it myself. So as I mentioned how my mom used to grease my scalp, this also brings me back. This is a scalp massager to help promote and stimulate hair growth. Now, I did find this one in the dollar store, and I had to cut off some of the little edges because they were a little hard. I highly recommend greasing your scalp, taking one of these, and just combing through your hair. Do this for about 15 minutes per day. This stimulates the blood in your head. Like I said, stimulates hair growth. So take some time for yourself. As a reminder, when I get home from work, I literally take about an hour of taking a shower, moisturizing my face, taking care of my hair, just out of my day, just to feel good about myself and just to love the person that I am. The last hair item that I want to mention is my baby hair brush. I did find this in the dollar store as well, and there is a comb on one end and then the brush on the other. When I say my baby hairs be laid, let me tell you, this brush definitely comes in handy, and also too, having the comb to kind of, you know, swift your baby hairs and make them look really nice. I definitely recommend this little guy. I'm trying to do like cool little tricks, but whatever. I cannot believe we're at the end. And like I said, I still feel so good about my skin and not doing my makeup. This was so hard today, but I made it. The last product that I do want to talk about is my St. Ives. This is the body lotion. This has cocoa butter as well as vanilla bean. When I say I walk into my office at work, my boss is always like, who smells so good? And I want to just be like, it's me. Every time I get out the shower, I'm not going to say I put lotion on every single time. Yes, I do go to bed ashy sometimes. But lately, I've been loving the smell of this so much. I've literally put lotion all over my body every single night. As I mentioned, I do spend an hour of my day taking care of my skin as far as pampering my face because I am getting older. But now I need to focus on my body as well. It smells so freaking good. I'm so obsessed. Wow. Like, my skin has not been dry, meaning my lower body has not been dry, because I want to smell like this all day, every day. I just want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I know I am not all glammed up, and in my next video, I definitely will be, but I had to fight through an insecurity that I've had for so many years. And just coming on here, being confident and talking about products that I've been loving just makes me feel so good. If you have an insecurity and you are too shy to talk about it, I would say play with that insecurity every single day until you feel comfortable exposing it and not letting it take over your life anymore. Like I said, I will still be in these streets with no makeup on, and yes, you could still approach me. I'm okay. I love the skin that I am in. Until my next video, please do not forget to thumbs up. Please do not forget to share my videos. That also helps as well. And you guys already know I would appreciate it if you guys subscribe. Come join the family. As always, you guys know I miss you, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.